Module 5. Visual references for straight and level flight. Introduction. Maintaining straight and level flight is a fundamental skill in aviation, requiring a pilot to keep the aircraft at a constant altitude and heading without significant deviations. While instrument readings are crucial, visual references play a vital role, especially in visual flight rules, VFR conditions. This chapter explores the primary visual references a pilot can use to achieve and maintain straight and level flight. The horizon, natural horizon. 1. The natural horizon, the line where the sky meets the ground, or water, is one of the most important visual references for a pilot. 2. By keeping the wings parallel to this line, a pilot can ensure the aircraft remains level. Artificial horizon. 1. When the natural horizon is not visible, such as in poor weather conditions or at night, pilots rely on the artificial horizon or attitude indicator. 2. This instrument provides a visual representation of the aircraft's orientation relative to the horizon, showing both pitch and bank angles. Aircraft wings, wing tips. 1. Observing the position of the wing tips relative to the horizon helps maintain a level attitude. 2. Ensuring that both wingtips are equidistant from the horizon line indicates level wings. Wing struts. 1. On high-wing aircraft, wing struts can serve as visual cues. 2. By aligning the struts parallel to the horizon, a pilot can confirm the aircraft is in level flight. Nose position. Nose attitude. 1. The position of the aircraft's nose relative to the horizon is crucial for maintaining altitude. 2. A consistent nose attitude helps keep the aircraft at a steady altitude. 3. If the nose is too high or too low, the aircraft will climb or descend, respectively. Fixed point on the nose. 1. Pilots often use a fixed point on the aircraft's nose as a reference. 2. By keeping this point aligned with a specific point on the horizon, pilots can maintain a constant pitch attitude. Aircraft shadow, shadow position. 1. On clear, sunny days, the aircraft's shadow on the ground can be a useful reference. 2. By ensuring the shadow remains in a consistent position relative to the aircraft, a pilot can confirm level flight. 3. However, this method is less reliable and not always available, depending on the sun's position and ground surface. Ground features: roads, rivers, and runways. 1. Linear features such as roads, rivers, and runways provide excellent visual references for maintaining heading. 2. By keeping these features aligned with a specific point on the aircraft, pilots can verify they are flying straight. Buildings and trees. 1. Watching for consistent changes in perspective with buildings, trees, and other landmarks can indicate deviations from level flight. 2. If objects appear to rise or fall relative to the aircraft, it may be climbing or descending. Clouds and terrain. Cloud layers. 1. Maintaining a consistent altitude relative to a cloud layer can help with level flight. 2. By keeping the aircraft at a fixed distance from the clouds, pilots can ensure they remain at a constant altitude. Terrain contours. 1. In mountainous areas, using the relative height of terrain features can aid in maintaining altitude and heading. 2. Consistent terrain contours indicate level flight, while changes in contour angles suggest deviations. Other aircraft. Traffic patterns. 1. Observing other aircraft in the traffic pattern can provide visual cues for maintaining straight and level flight. 2. By keeping a consistent distance and orientation relative to other aircraft, pilots can confirm they are flying level. Flight path. Flight path angle. 1. Maintaining a consistent angle relative to the horizon ensures straight and level flight. 2. The flight path angle can be observed by the relative motion of ground features and the horizon. Wingtip to wingtip line. 1. Ensuring the line between wingtips remains parallel to the horizon is a straightforward method for verifying level flight. 2. This visual reference helps maintain a balanced roll attitude. Pilot's seat position. Eye level. 1. The pilot's eye level should remain consistent with the instrument panel and visual references. 2. A stable eye level indicates that the aircraft is not pitching up or down and helps